How to use Target Wallet to pay in Target stores. Let's get started. Launch your Target app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll enter the Discover page. Now head towards the option of Wallet. Before you even head to the store, make sure you have got everything set up on your phone. Once you're in this page, you can easily add your Target Circle rewards, any save deals, and even your Card Circle credit or debit card. Don't forget to toggle the switch to enable using these cards when you scan your barcode at checkout. Now here's something crucial to keep in mind. Target Circle credit or debit card cannot be added to Google Pay or Apple Pay. So if you want to use your Target Circle card, you'll need to do it within the Target app's wallet. You can also add Target gift cards here if you want to use them during checkout. Once you are at the store and have gathered all your items, if you have fewer than 10 items, head over to the self-checkout. After scanning all your items, click the Pay button and select the Target Wallet option. Then open the Target app on your phone. Go to the Wallet tab and click Show My Barcode. You might be asked to verify your identity. Remember, this barcode is unique and only works for a few minutes, so make sure to scan it right away. After scanning your barcode, the machine will indicate that the Target Wallet has been applied. Click Finish and Pay and your transaction will go through. The machine will print out a receipt. And once you see the thank you message, you are all set. Grab your receipt and your items and you are good to go. So this is how you can easily use Target Wallet to pay in Target stores. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.